Hello friends! Today I am thinking about small bites and some of the things that we're going to be serving this summer, like for example when it's tomato season and we can use fresh tomatoes to make a delicious sauce. So I was at an event over the weekend for someone in my family, honoring someone in my family, and they served this really delicious Spanish meatball. It was passed at the party and I just loved it. I thought it was the perfect bite. And I wanted to make it for you today in honor of Big Vinny. So these are beautiful handmade meatballs that we rolled in the kitchen. They are pork and beef meatball, and we can serve them a few different ways. So for example, if we're at a party and we're passing hors d'oeuvres, we might put them in a crock like this. This is a crock pot, and we were taking a meatball and each person was having them. It was a very popular hors d'oeuvre at the event that we were having. Another thing we could do is if we were having a dinner party or we wanted to serve a small course, we could serve them in these tiny ramekins. And then we could also pass trays with one meatball on them, and you could hold the meatball and have the sauce and have the small dish and just enjoy it at your leisure without feeling like you need to hold a meatball up in the air and wait to eat it. So we think about all of these things. We would love to help you think through the events and parties that you want to have at your house and create something delicious and beautiful for you.